Hi, my name's Jean. I'm Ghost Mountain Inn's Sustainability Manager.
My name is Gogzim Shongo. I am a TV and radio journalist, an author, a writer, and this week I was on duty as host of Weekend Breakfast on 702. So we spent the weekend in Umkhuze in northern KZN. We stayed at the Ghost Mountain Inn, which was stunning.
We've had a very interesting weekend, starting off with storytelling about our really involved history and the culture of this area. We've been up and spent some time within the community that we live in, looking a little bit at how the Zulu culture has translated itself through to modern day life.
We also went for a game drive. We saw 4 of the big 5 on our drive, which was such a treat. We capped off the drive with Sundowners,
as well as looked at some of the wonderful history of battles and the name of Ghost Mountain.
The hotel also has lots to do in case you want to stay in, relax, take it easy. They have a beautiful spa. They've got beautiful gardens. There's lots of space for you to hang out. There's 2 pools.
It's been a really interesting stay and I hope everybody has enjoyed themselves.
This might have been my first time in northern KZN, but I know it's not going to be my last. I can't wait to come back because there's so much more in KZN.